guys at Caffeine and Chrome. What do you guys think? Eh? Eh? Look at that. Woohoo! I bet you he's on the way too. You know what the funny thing is I'm sitting here driving and I'm like, oh, I'm tired. I'm not in the mood to shoot video. I'm just gonna chill out and drink a coffee and smoke a cigar and not do video till later in the morning. And then I see a 57 Chevy and I'm motivated all over again. I think there must be a medication for this kind of addiction. Anyway, it should be fun. Philadelphia Gateway Classic Cars, Coffee and Chrome. Here we come. Exit 19 off the New Jersey Turnpike. I'm just saying that because everybody in New Jersey says what exit they're from. That's been my experience. See, I told you he was coming here. I told you. Shaking like crazy. It must be like I'm gonna stop the coffee and start drinking water. This is Mary, and she works at Philadelphia Gateway Classic Cars in West Deptford, New Jersey. Am I getting good at saying that?
Yeah, West Deptford.
It only took me about 18 videos to get to that point. But this is Mary, and she does improv. You're a comedian?
Yes.
But
not for work here. For here,
I think you're funny.
Well, yeah, but they pay me to do stuff.
All right. So what? Where can they see you at stand up?
Well, for improv in general, check out Fit in Philadelphia and Comedy Sports in Philadelphia.
All right. Forgive me, guys. I haven't put my mic on yet. I'm going to do it right after this, and hopefully you can hear Mary speaking. And I'm shaking already.
He is shaking. It's louder. It's louder.
I got older and I started shaking, and it's this thing. I don't like this new thing. I'm going to get another one. Anyway, they don't care about the details. They just want to see the cars. And here they come, the cars!
So many.
Yeah, there's a lot.
There's many.
I have to give honor to the cars that are here at Gateway before we go out for the special event. But these are the cars that are here all the time, and you can come and see them and visit them in West Deptford, New Jersey, which I just think is amazing because I didn't think much was in New Jersey. Forgive me, guys, for all you Jersey people. I know you're inviting me to do things, but this is just an example of the cars that they have here. And this is their showroom. Here's a 1936 Ford Humpback. I never heard him called Humpback before. That's what it says on the sheet. So, ain't she pretty? She's pretty. And here is a gorgeous Z28. I just love these cars. I always have. This is, it's got to be close to 78 because this looks like the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am, which I absolutely love. But there's something about the shape of this car. I don't know. I mean, look at the design and style on it. I don't know if it's because I've got nostalgia about it, because this was when I was in high school. These cars were all the rage and they're brand new. But I think, like the Ford Mustang, I think they hold their look. In other words, it's still a gorgeous car many, many years after it was designed. Just like the 1965 Fastback. Very nice.